Tonight, another important follow-up on a topic we've been covering for you for months. People who were homeless during the pandemic. 4 in Your Corner's Rochelle Aline brings you the story of a few people who say they're really struggling now to find shelter after testing positive for COVID-19 and being told their time in their temporary place to stay is up.
I told him I'm not going to go back out there in the street.
But that's exactly where Stuart Bailey may have to go once he's discharged from a Fort Myers hotel where he's been recovering from COVID-19. He's been staying there as part of a program through the county for people who have the virus but don't have a home. Bailey says his story starts here at Salis Care, where he was staying for some time. He claims he got kicked out last month for something he didn't do.
They asked me to leave, so I had to leave. So I've been bouncing.
He started feeling sick after that.
I was coughing and my chest was burning.
And later got his COVID-19 diagnosis. But as he gets closer to his time to leave, he says there just aren't many options for housing help.
Most of the places are still closed due to COVID-19.
Another woman we spoke to says she was also staying at Salis Care, but had trouble getting back in after being hospitalized for COVID-19.
I went to the hospital. I was there about a week, and so when I went to return, they said I was no longer welcome there and that my clothes would be on the curb. And when I got there, that's what happened. My clothes were outside.
And after days of struggling, she says she recently found shelter at a private home.
I was definitely homeless, in the woods, homeless as homeless can be, broke.
Now, we did reach out to Salis Care for comment. They did tell us it is their policy to let people back into that triage center if they can prove that they are negative for coronavirus. But they also added that there are some extenuating circumstances under which they would turn people away. We also reached out to the county for comment, and they claim they're working very hard to pair people with proper housing after they're done quarantining in those hotels. In Fort Myers, Rochelle Aline, Fox 4 in your corner.